Before we go ahead and deploy this great application, there are two small changes we need to make. The first one is to add a real image for our user profile on the top right on the navigation bar. The second thing we need to fix is if we go to our mobile mode, like this, there we go, looking great. Again, you can see that we have our demo image here. We should have a real image. So the second thing we need to fix is if you open up the navigation bar and if you click on a category, it does re-navigate that category, but the sidebar doesn't automatically close. So again, just a really minor thing, but this application needs to be perfect. That's exactly how this course was planned. From the start to the end, you are going to build this, deploy it, and you're going to end up with a phenomenal application. Let's start with fixing our sidebar. And to do that, we can of course go to our sidebar.jsx file. Inside of here, the only thing we have to do is use this use effect at the top that we are not using right now. So right here, I'm going to call our use effect. And as dependencies, we're going to pass two different things. We're going to pass the user as well as the genre ID or category name. This value is going to change when we click on a genre and then we want to do something. And that something we want to do is simply set mobile open to be false. So we're just closing the sidebar as soon as the genre ID or category name changes. And as I think about it, we don't need this user right here. Great. So let's test it out. Let's reload our page so we can test it properly. And let's go to top rated. There we go. As you could notice, it closed as soon as I clicked on it. Great. And look at this featured image. We never checked it out on mobile, but it looks phenomenal here as well. So that was a really easy fix for our sidebar issue. The other thing is going to be in our navigation bar, right on line 80. In here, we just have a placeholder user image, but what we should have is going to be a template string like this. And that's going to be https://www.themovie-db.org/t/p/h64_face. And then user .avatar .tmdb ? And finally avatar_path. I know this is a long string, so make sure to either write it out with me or just find it somewhere in the source code. With that said, this alone should fix our issue. And it wasn't an issue at all, it's just a placeholder that we left here until the end. So now if we go back, in my case, I'm gonna have a JavaScript Mastery logo here. You of course will have something different right here.